The state flag of Hawaii has 8 stripes of red, white, and blue. These stripes represent the 8 islands of Hawaii. The state capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. Honolulu is located on the island of Oahu. The state bird of Hawaii is the nene. It is sometimes called the Hawaiian goose. The yellow hibiscus is the state flower of Hawaii. The flower is native to the Hawaiian Islands. This is also one of the flowers used to make many of the leis that you see people wearing in Hawaii. The monk seal is the state animal of Hawaii. Here are a few more animals that can be found in Hawaii. Spinner dolphins, sea turtles, and chameleons. Hawaii is the 43rd largest state by area. It has an area of 10,931 square miles. Hawaii is home to over 1 million people. The Hawaiian alphabet only has 13 letters. There are no snakes in Hawaii. All beaches in Hawaii are public. Hawaii is the only U.S. state that grows coffee.